Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Then log into your ChatGPT account. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where your profile name and current plan are displayed. Next, click on your profile name and select Settings from the menu. This will open the settings window for your account. Inside the settings panel, go to the menu on the left side and click on Account. At the top of this page, you will see information about your current plan, including the renewal date and the price you are paying for the subscription. To cancel the subscription, click the Manage button next to your current plan. This will open the subscription management page. Here, you will see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription, and a confirmation window will appear. The message will explain when your subscription access will end and confirm that your plan will not renew after the current billing period. Finally, click Cancel Subscription again to confirm. Your ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, after which it will be canceled automatically. So that's basically how you can cancel ChatGPT subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.